I am Dr. Neema Bisht, BDS by degree and a pharma professional. I am founder of CareerInPharma, wherein I provide guidance and training to healthcare professionals and life science graduates on how they can make career into pharmaceutical industry. Till date, we have guided and trained more than 500 students, and many of them are now placed into various companies also under my guidance. Also, I want to tell you that beware of fake people who are operating under the name of CareerInPharma or by my name. So to connect with us, please see the description below for all the links, and also you can see the mail ID provided in the description box. Once again, I welcome you all to CareerInPharma. So today in this video, I am going to talk about the salary structure at a very fresher level and how it grows going forward for clinical research and pharmacovigilance. So whatever salary I am going to talk about today in this video will be applicable for all the verticals of clinical research and pharmacovigilance. Okay, vertical means clinical data management, medical writing, regulatory affairs. So more or less your salary will fall in the range which I am going to talk about today. Okay, so let's little bit I will talk separately for clinical research and pharmacovigilance, and degree part, degree, considering degree, I will talk about life science graduates and healthcare professionals, and MBBS separately, definitely, because MBBS starts with more salary as compared to life science graduates and other healthcare professionals, and also their role is different. So I'm not going to talk about role. I will just stick to the salary part today in this video. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, for clinical research operations, that is different from pharmacovigilance. Definitely, clinical research operations, if you are a life science graduate or a healthcare professional, not MBBS, okay? Healthcare professional means dentist, physiotherapist, nursing graduates, physiotherapist. Then in that case, inside clinical research operations, at a very fresher level, you can get anything between, your CTC range I am giving you. Your CTC range can be anything between 2 to 3.5 lakh. Again, this variation is considering your graduation degree. If you are just a life science graduate, then in that case you may just get 2 lakh or 2.5 lakh of CTC. But if you are a healthcare professional other than MBBS, in that case your CTC may go up to 3 lakh. So considering that, life science graduate, healthcare professional other than MBBS who want to start inside clinical research operations, then your take home salary will be anything between 17,000 to 25,000. Okay, for clinical research profile, that can be like clinical research coordinator or clinical trial coordinator. Okay, so anything between 17,000 to 25k up to 30k also it can go, in like few cases. So sometime depending on company also, and maybe if you have some clinical experience for healthcare professionals, then they may consider it. Okay, so CTC wise 2 lakh to 3.5, in hand salary wise 17,000 to 25,000 or max 30,000 in hand salary for clinical research coordinator and clinical trial coordinator. Now for MBBS into clinical research operations, the profile names are like principal investigator, clinical investigator, monitor, medical monitor. So in that case, for any MBBS, the salary can range between 6.5 lakh to 7, 8, 9 lakh of CTC also you can get. Again, considering your clinical experience and considering for which clinical trial the company is going to hire you. Okay, so that's why variation is there. So you can keep anything between 6.5 to 9 lakh of CTC. So if I talk about enhanced salary, you can start anything between 50, 55, 60,000 up to 70, 80,000. Okay, again variation is there depending on company, location, your experience. So this was for MBBS. Okay, so this is regarding clinical research profile at a very fresher level. Now second thing is, at a very fresher level, each and every people, they start with more or less same, with little bit variation based on their experience. But going forward in job, not necessary that two person with same years of experience will get the same kind of salary. No, it depends on person to person, your performance inside company, and how many companies you are changing, in that span of whatever it's, that also will conclude that what will be your salary. For example, there is one people with 5 year of experience, another candidate with similar 5 years of experience, but candidate A changed, let's say, 3 companies in 5 years, and candidate B, let's say, was in the same company for 5 years. So definitely for the candidate A who changed 3 companies in 5 years, the salary will be more as compared to candidate B. But it doesn't mean that you have to change the companies frequently. No, not at all. At least based on my personal experience, I would always suggest at least 1 year you should give to any company, unless and until it's very toxic work culture or those kind of stuff are there. Otherwise, at least you should give 1 year to any company for that matter. Okay, so going forward, the growth, how it happens, that I will tell you, and because it all very personal. Okay, again I'm mentioning, depending on company, depending on what CTC you started. Otherwise, what is the growth pattern inside any company? If you are in a same company, you will get a yearly hike of like 2-3% up to 10-15%, depending on your performance rating, everything. And if you change any company, then there will be a short 40-50% hike, that is minimum in your CTC, whatever you are getting in your old company. Okay, and in top of that, negotiation also happens. Like some people, they are very good at negotiation, they negotiate up to 70-80% also, but definitely without negotiation also you can get 40-50% of minimum hike when you change from one company to other company. So with this, you can calculate how you are going to grow financially in your career. Okay, so this was about clinical research profile. Now about pharmacovigilance. Okay, first of all, for life science graduates and other healthcare professional other than MBBS, the starting CTC can be anything between 2.5 to 4 lakh. So inside pharmacovigilance, definitely the salary is more at a fresher level also and experience level also. Inside clinical data management also, same is applicable, whatever I am telling for pharmacovigilance, and for medical writing also. So if you are someone who started just now as a fresher inside pharmacovigilance and other verticals which I already mentioned, CTC anything can be between 2.5 to 4 lakh. So in hand it will come anything between 20k to 35k in hand salary at a fresher level. Now growth is same, means every year 2 to 3% up to 10-15% of hike, and then when you change company, short 40-50% of hike in your CTC will happen, and on top of that, negotiation. Now for MBBS, for pharmacovigilance, is they can start anything between 6.5 to 9 lakh of CTC. Okay, considering their experience, so it's like more or less same as for clinical research for MBBS. So if you are an MBBS, you are starting into pharmacovigilance as a fresher, then it will be like 6.5 lakh up to 9 lakh of CTC you can get at a very fresher level. So take home salary will be like 50-55 starting, and up to 70-80,000 in hand salary per month you can get. Growth pattern same as for others. Okay, so this is all about today's video, and I hope now this salary structure is clear to all of you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and please comment in the comment box what next video you are going to you like me to make video on. Definitely I will make for sure, and will be coming soon with some next fresh video. Till then time, please stay happy, aware, updated and connected. Thank you all of you.